Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to change fade transparency for color correction floating button in Realme 14 Pro phone. So where to look for it? Here is our floating button. We need to go to settings first, then accessibility and convenience, next accessibility, then vision tab at the top, and we are looking for the color correction. Now here we have the shortcut with the switch for it, and we need to tap the shortcut menu to access the options. And then in the accessibility button section we have the more options link, which we need to tap, and here we have the fade option. So the fade switch is here, and here we have our slider. Using the slider we can make our button more transparent or less transparent, whatever we want from it. I will disable the transparency for my button. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.